Apple did bounce, but on weak volume. Apple's recent decline, which is basically about 11% off the recent highs and about 16 to 18% off the all-time highs, did bounce, but on weak volume. Very weak volume on today's bounce. Very strong volume on the decline this past week. That doesn't give me a lot of confidence to invest in Apple. However, I did consider investing. I did not because it never quite hit the support line, and it did get within basically 1%, which, you know, if you were really aggressive and bullish on Apple, that would be enough to go ahead and put money in, figuring it's probably going to go up and not going to breach that support. But the market was moving at a pretty fast clip towards support that it could have breached support. It would have been a low risk investment because I will put a stop loss 1 to 2% below the support line. So the most I would have lost would have been about 2 or 3%. It did not hit support, and in fact bounced up about a little over 4%. So that's a nice little trade. I would have even been willing to take that 4% trade, knowing that it could go up quite a bit more this coming week if the bull is back in business. But if the bears are starting to gain some momentum, then we're going to keep seeing stocks moving back towards their support lines and possibly breaching. We are in the middle or lower middle part of the most recent range. So, hey, Apple still has some ways to go. So if you wanted to invest in Apple, the way to do it is to buy in, but make sure you set a stop loss 1 to 2% below the support line. So you have the potential to lose about 7% if you buy on Monday and the market opens where it closed off today, Friday. Then if it just crashes through support and just keeps on going, the most you're going to lose is about 5 to 7%. That's not a horrible loss. On the other side, you could argue that there's 14% of upside from where we closed on Friday to the all-time high. I'm not going to be buying Apple anytime in the very near future because I need to see stronger volume on the upwards price action. Otherwise, there's a possibility it will breach, and if it does breach, there's not a whole lot of support that I can figure out below this uptrending support line. So there's some pressure for it to bounce off this, and I think waiting a few days after a bounce, you're still going to have plenty of upside. If you have any questions about Apple, other stocks, and or technical analysis, please put them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer them. If there are any stocks you would like me to analyze, put those in the comment section and I'll do a video on them this coming week. Please subscribe to get all of our latest videos, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.